What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. And if you are tuning in, you are now on day 25 of our 5K, beginning 5K program. So congratulations to everybody. If you made it this far, you're doing great. It is a workout day, so let's get ready. Let's get those shoes on and let's get going. All right, like I said, this is a workout day, and I'm going to hand you over to Coach Robin. She's going to take you on that workout. I know you're going to do fantastic, so let's get going.
Hey guys, Thursday. So we are making our way through the week, and you guys are doing great. We've done 2 workouts that we're already going to do today, so we know what we got to do. We can do it. It's easy. We take our time. We don't rush it. We just get through it. All right, you know the drill. 1 minute walk, 3 minutes run for 5 times. 20-minute workout. You know the drill. Remember your posture. I'm going to talk about good form running tomorrow, so get ready for that. But for right now, you know about the posture. Keep your arms, nice and 90-degree angle, shoulders relaxed, fingers loose, right? You know the drill. So just do your warm-up and do your workout, do your cool down, and come right back here. This is, I guess this is Harbor Week for me. I just decided to start coming on down here, and I really like it. So you could just get a gander of the marina over here, and people out here on kayaks and boats and doing all different things. People coming down to see the seals. So I don't know. This is Harbor Week for me. We'll see what next week is. But anyway, have a good workout, and I'll see you in a couple minutes. Great job, guys, on your workout. You did a great job. I feel really, really good after my workout, after my warm-up and my cool-down. And I'm looking forward to tomorrow's rest day. And again, I'm going to talk to you about good form running tomorrow. But great job on your workout today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, like I said, I am so proud of you guys. You guys are really rocking this program. You got through day 25. Day 26 is tomorrow. That's going to be fantastic. I know you guys will do great. So we'll see you tomorrow. Also want to just ask if you did like it. If you do like this program, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also make sure that you share this program with someone else who you believe can use a beginning 5K program. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel, and that way you'll get notified every time we put up a video, because we do put up healthy videos all the time. So this way you'll get to see what's out there. Anyway, with all that said, I just want to thank you again, say you guys are doing fantastic, and we will see you tomorrow. Have a good one, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.